Hey guys, it's Mater here. Guys, this is for the 250 points from January 6, 2016 Topps Totally Certified Football 3-box breaks. We're going to randomize 8 times. Top team will receive the prize. Here we go. 1. On top is the Bears at 1. 32 teams. 2. Broncos. 3. Jaguars. 4. Falcons. 5. Buccaneers. 6. Buccaneers again. 6. 7. And 8th and final is for the 250 points. Good luck. 8. Eagles. Eagles, you will receive the 250 points. Congratulations. 8 times. Sorry, everybody else. Thanks for joining, guys. If you guys ever have any questions, please email me through eBay. Thanks again.